Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create PDF document for Elementor form responses using PDFMonkey. So here I'm a real estate agent and I want to generate a lot of lease agreement for my customer in PDF format. So I want to automate this process, and here my objective is that as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor form, then automatically I'm going to capture all the detail of my customer and I'm going to capture all the detail of that form submission. So as I'm going to receive all the detail of my form submission, then automatically by using those details, I'm going to create a lease agreement in PDF format by using PDFMonkey. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Elementor and PDFMonkey. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor form, then automatically I'm going to generate a PDF document by using PDFMonkey. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create PDF document from Elementor form responses using PDFMonkey. So in today's digital age, collecting form responses through platforms like Elementor is a common practice for businesses and organizations. Whether you are gathering customer feedback, processing application, or managing registration, having a structured and easily accessible way to store and share the data is crucial. So imagine I run a real estate agency and I use Elementor form to collect client information for property inquiries, application detail, agreement details, and all other details. And now by using all these details of my form submission, I'm creating a lot of PDF document for the lease agreement. So as I'm renting a property from a landlord to a new tenant, I need to create a lot of lease agreement and I need to send that to my tenant and landlord too. Now I want to automate this process of generating this lease agreement document, and I want to automate this in such a way that as I'm going to receive a new form submission from my tenant or the landlord for the lease agreement, then automatically by using all the detail of my form submission, I want to generate a lease agreement document automatically by using PDFMonkey. So in this video, I will show you how you can streamline this process by creating a PDF document from your Elementor form responses using PDFMonkey. So automating this task not only saves you time, but also ensures that every response is formatted consistently and professionally. I will walk you through setting up a workflow that can automatically generate a PDF document for each new form submission, and I'm going to show you that how we can create these lease agreement documents by using PDFMonkey. So here for creating this automation between Elementor form and PDFMonkey, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between Elementor form and PDFMonkey without any coding and programming skills. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button. And this will take only 2 minutes of our time and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create PDF document for Elementor form responses using PDFMonkey. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Elementor. So I'm going to select this and I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and in our workflow, we can only set up one trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up our trigger, we need to first search for our trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Elementor. So I'm going to search for that and I need to select Elementor here. Now I'm going to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and new form submission will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And here I need to connect Elementor with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So for connecting Elementor with Pabbly Connect, I need to use webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Elementor and Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my Elementor form. So I have created my Elementor form and I have added that form in my website. So I have my Elementor form in WordPress, as Elementor is a plugin in WordPress. So I'm going to take you there. And here I have this Elementor form of lease agreement form. So what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect so that I can receive all the responses of this form submission from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So for that I need to click here on this edit with Elementor button. Now here this is my lease agreement form, and in this I have all these tabs. Now what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon button. And now what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need this option of actions after submit. So I need to open this tab and here I need to add my action. So I'm going to click on this plus icon button and here I need to search for webhook. So I'm going to add webhook as my action. So I'm going to select this. And now we can see I have opened this tab of webhook. So I'm going to open this. And here in this tab, I need to add my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on update. So I have successfully updated my webhook in this particular form and I have connected this lease agreement form with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to first create a form submission by filling out my lease agreement form. So I'm going to open my form. And here this is my lease agreement form. So I'm going to fill all these details with all the detail of the tenant and the landlord. So here I need to first give my tenant first name. So tenant first name is going to be Michael. Last name will be Karas. Email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number. So here this is the random phone number of my tenant. Now I need to give the tenant address. So my street address will be New Street, city will be Bhopal, and I'm going to give a random zip code. Now I need to give the leased property address. So I need to give the street address. So street address will be B93, Old Street, and city will be Indore. And I'm going to give a zip code. So this will be a random zip code too. And here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to submit this form. So I'm going to click on this submit button. And here my submission is successful. So I have created this form submission. And now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the first name of tenant, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karas. Also here I have the city of my tenant, that is Bhopal. I have the random phone number of my tenant and the address, that is New Street. Also here I have the landlord name, that is John Doe. I have the rented property city, that is Indore. I have the random zip code and the address, that is B93 Old Street. And here I also have the tenant email address, that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have received all these details from my form submission of Elementor form. And here I have received all the detail of my lease agreement. Now I have received the detail of the tenant and the landlord. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details and I automatically want to create a PDF document for lease agreement so that it will save my time and energy and I can send that back to my tenant and landlord. So here for generating the PDF document for lease agreement, I need to use PDFMonkey, and for that I need to first set up my actions tab. And here in my action application, I'm going to search for PDFMonkey. So I'm going to select PDFMonkey here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and generate document will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I need to connect PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting PDFMonkey, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, I need to first log into my PDFMonkey account. And for getting my API key, I need to go to my accounts and I need to go to API authentication. So I'm going to do the same and I will first go to my PDFMonkey account. I will go to home. Now here I need to first go to my profile and I need to go to my account. And here in my account, I need to first scroll down and I have this option of API authentication. And in this API authentication, I have my API secret key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this API secret key and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do the same. And now I'm going to paste that API key here as a token. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And I have connected PDFMonkey with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need is I need my template ID and the dynamic data. So for getting the template ID, I need to again take you to PDFMonkey. I will go to templates. And here in template, I have created this template of lease agreement. So I'm going to use this. So I need to click on edit. And here this is my template for rental and lease agreement. Now here what I need is I need the template ID. So here this is my template ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now for creating my PDF document from my template, what I need to do is I need to give my dynamic data. So here I'm going to give all the data that I need to change in my PDF document with all the detail of my Elementor form submission. So how I'm going to get this dynamic data? For that I need to give the JSON payload. And how I'm going to get this dynamic data? For that I need to go to my PDFMonkey account. And here in my template I need to go to test data. And here this is my dynamic data. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. But still this is not a dynamic data. What I need to do is I need to clear all these details in this double quotes. And in these double quotes, I need to fill all the details that I'm going to receive from my Elementor form submission. And I need to map those details and I need to make these dynamic. So what I need to do is I need to use mapping here. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So first I need to map the tenant names. So I'm going to click here between this double quote and I need to map the tenant name. So I'm going to open this response of Elementor form and here this is the first name of my tenant. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now similarly I have to give the tenant address. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Elementor and here I'm going to search for the address of my tenant. So here this is the street address of my tenant. So I'm going to map this first. I will give a comma and I'm going to map the city and the zip code. So the city is Bhopal. I'm going to again give a comma and I'm going to map the zip code. So here I have mapped the zip code too. Now what I need to do is I need to give the landlord name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Elementor and this is my landlord name. So I'm going to map this. Now by following these same steps, I'm going to map the landlord address. Now here I have mapped all the required details and I have made these details dynamic. And as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from Elementor form, then automatically all the details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new form submission detail in the real time. So every time I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to create a new PDF document for the lease agreement with the new form submission details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have generated a new PDF document of lease agreement by using PDFMonkey. So here I have this document status that says generating. So here I have the status of generating, and if you want to download this PDF document, then what you need to do is you need to first add a delay by adding an action tool called delay in your workflow of 1 minute. And after that you need to again use PDFMonkey as your action application. And in that you can use your action event as find document, where you can give this document ID and you will get your status of document as created and you will find the download URL of your document from that action event. So here I don't need to download this document. What I need to do is I just need to check whether I've created a new document of lease agreement by using PDFMonkey or not. So to check this, let me take you to PDFMonkey. Here I will go back and now I will go to documents. And here in documents, we can see I have just created a new document by using the template of lease agreement. And here we can see this is my document that I've created by using PDFMonkey. And here this is my rental and lease agreement. So here I have the tenant name that is Michael Karras. Age is 22. I have the tenant address that is New Street, Bhopal. This is the zip code. Also I have the landlord name that is John Doe. and I have the landlord address, that is B93 Old Street, Indore, and this is the random zip code. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my Elementor form submission, I have created this PDF document of lease agreement by using PDFMonkey. So here my automation between Elementor and PDFMonkey is working successfully, and as I'm going to receive a new form submission from Elementor by a tenant or a landlord, then automatically I can generate a lease agreement or a rental agreement by using PDFMonkey in PDF format. So here I have successfully created this automation, and I have automated this process of generating PDF document of lease agreement by using Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and here I have successfully created this connection between Elementor and PDFMonkey to automatically create PDF document for Elementor form responses using PDFMonkey. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Elementor, and my trigger event was new form submission. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was PDFMonkey, and my action event was generate document. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.